over 1.8 billion people use Gmail, and over a billion emails are sent daily. At those rates, you're getting buried in emails, missing important updates, and late replying to colleagues. However, there is a simple way to stay organized and delete thousands of emails in your inbox. What's up, YouTube? My name is Kayla, and if you're new to the channel, I help community leaders use social media for business. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted emails from your inbox. Stay tuned. All right, let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do to start this process, whether you are on a phone, a laptop, a desktop, or your tablet, you want to go to Google and sign in to Gmail, right? So I know some people struggle like, how do I get to Gmail? So you always can click these little dots here. If it doesn't show up like this when you log in, before you even log in, as you can see, I'm not signed in yet. But you click all those dots and it'll show all the Google Workplace options. And you want to click on Gmail. So go ahead and do that. Then you obviously you sign in, you put your credentials in, and you're in your email inbox. So this is one of my many email inboxes. And I just wanted to make it clear that I'm with you. I have a ton of emails that come in, no matter how much I try. I just love to learn. So I'm always subscribing to some type of personal development email list or something of that nature. So it's a struggle for me. So I get it. So when you, up in the top right hand corner, or wherever you see your like image icon, like the little circle with the person, and it should show you signed in. You will see faintly that how many emails you got, right? And so this is just one page that's showing 50 of my emails. But as you can see after that, I got over 39,000 emails. And I promise you, for a couple weeks, I've been trying this out before I recorded the video. And so I've deleted thousands of emails. I'm talking about, I found out I had emails from back in 2017. So this process really helped me to delete them in a group or in bulk. So what you do is, I'm pretty sure if you've been using Gmail for some years, you got some old emails just like me. So what I suggest is just move your cursor or click on the word Otis, and what the system is going to do is reflect back to the oldest emails in your inbox. And as you can see, I still got emails from 2017. So, what you can do in that case is really neat. I mean, you can even, um, if you know you really don't deal with a certain organization anymore, you can put in keywords that'll show you um, emails from that certain carrier. I know, like with social media, most people aren't controlling their notifications, so they get notification everywhere. So in your email inbox, you can also keep that under control, manage it. So you can type in Facebook, it'll show everything from your Facebook or give you options based on your search criteria. Whatever you're looking to delete, um, that will help you, really get started so you won't feel like, oh my God, I have to go through all these and really see if they're what I want. Or maybe you just like, forget it. I know I don't need any of these emails from 2017. I don't even have to go through them. I want to just get them out of there. So I'm going to select, this will select all. If you select that button, or if you just go down, if you hit that little arrow, it'll expand and you can click, make sure you're clicking all. But anyway, so you can delete all 50 of these at a time. So what I'm going to do is click delete, and every email on this page is going to go into my trash. All right. So I'm going to do it again just so we can at least show 100 emails getting deleted. So this says 27 conversations are going to be deleted. I'm going to move forward because of why? Because I know they're from 2017, and that is just ancient history when it comes to emails. So you should be fine. So I'm going to move forward with deleting them. I'm going to do it again. So 50 more are going to be deleted, and they're still from 2017, y'all. And mind you, I already did this. I already did this before the video, and I still got all these emails in here. So I'm going to delete more. And that's a way you can manage and delete. Now, you see, um, nope, hold on. You see when I delete, oh, it said undone, so I undid it. Hold on, let me show you. When I delete, there's a little pop-up down there that'll pop up. Let's see what it says. So I'm gonna move forward. I've got all of them selected. I'm going to hit delete. Let's see what pops up. Oh, if you mess up, it lets you know that where these deleted emails are going. So I pretty much thought that, but I wanted to make sure it was showing that. And you also have that option to undo. You see that little blue link that said undo. I'm gonna keep it going, and so I can get more. I mean, I really don't want to see no 2017 popping up in here, y'all. So I'm trying to get rid of these joints. Delete. It's over. It's done. So that's a way. When you got some downtime, it's better than going one by one. I'm just making sure on the right-hand corner for me, I'm making sure that it still says 2017. So I'm looking to the right. You can't see it here, but I'm always looking over to the right to make sure I'm still in 2017 because that's what I'm trying to get rid of. I know I'm 99.9% that I don't need any of those emails from 2017. So I'm just deleting my heart out. So I've got hundreds in the email inbox now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to trash because this is how you get it completely out of your email inbox. So just press and delete doesn't mean it's gone. Google is still going to hold it in there for like 30 days or something before it automatically deletes. So if you want to go that extra step, you can just hit, like you've seen, there was a little expansion, a little arrow that I clicked, and I pressed trash because that's where all these emails went, in the trash. So I want to empty the trash. So you just got to take a look. But above all the emails in the trash, there's a little button option that says empty trash now. So I'm about to delete all those emails right now manually. But as you can see, it says messages that have been in the trash more than 30 days will automatically be deleted. So if you don't want to go this extra step, and you're not in a rush to get these old emails out your inbox or unwanted emails out your inbox, you could just wait. I mean, you could just delete them, and then in 30 days, Google's going to automatically delete them forever. So make sure you're sure, but I'm pretty confident. These are from 2017, so they got to go. So as you can see, I'm about to delete over 700, when it says conversations, it's emails, in the trash. Am I sure? Yes, I'm going to click OK. And with the click of a button, Gmail is deleting all those emails. And now you can see within not even a minute, within seconds, Gmail has deleted over 700 of my emails that I did not want. They're out. They're in the trash is empty. So I hope this video was helpful. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.